I really like Austria. I mean, like, really, really like this place. And as you might have guessed, right now I'm currently sitting somewhere in the Austrian Alps. It is really just wow. But anyway, more on Austria on next Sunday's video, because yesterday I found such an incredible hidden gem of a road that I have to show you. I mean, it really was like, I don't know, 4 or 5 minute racetrack. Not a mountain pass. This is something else, something really so cool. So I'm going to show you that next weekend. But anyway, today, just talking about what I've done, what I've changed so far on my GT4S and what I'm going to do, just telling you all of my plans so far. Any long-term subscribers to my channel will know I love customizing. I always have done since I was a child. I customized everything I have. I really enjoy it. It brings me just happiness, actually. I love making things unique to myself. I love having a concept or an idea and making it come to life, and I love making things my own. I don't like having things that other people have. I really want to make it unique to myself, which, as most of you know, I do to every car that I've ever owned. Not that I've owned that many, but I love doing it. So first of all, what's been done on my car, which is not a modification, but we'll get to that after, is I've had the car machine polished, paint correction and PPF, thanks to enquires again, who have done just an amazing job, as they always have done. The car just looks better than new now, and I'm just constantly staring at my car at the moment because it just looks so ridiculously good. So thanks again to enquires for doing another amazing job. Going on to the next thing about why I can't stop staring at my car right now, I've had the wheels painted in Porsche Vice Gold. Now I've done this on my last 2 cars. I did it on my GT3, I did it on my RS6. I'm completely obsessed with this color. It's kind of my color now. It's like my thing I have in my cars. And I did love the blue wheels, I really did, but it was too dark, and honestly I feel a bit traumatized now from dark wheels. As soon as I saw my GT4S from a distance the first time and saw that the wheels looked almost black, just again saw these black holes, I was like, nope, they are going, they have to go. So they are now in Porsche Vice Gold. They look incredible. The black with the carbon and the Vice Gold wheels, just wow. It really, really does look perfect. The car is almost perfect. As we will get further into the video, I will tell you why. So next on the list, I have now got custom, stunning leather woven seat inserts from Justin. He also did the ones when I had my Maritime Blue GT4, and I just had to have some inserts from him again. His work is just the best out there, and adding custom seat inserts into a Porsche is always for me something really special, and that makes it especially unique to yourself. So I fitted them last week when I picked up the car from enquires, which you're going to watch now. So as you saw, they look incredible. This mixed grey, so it's a light grey, dark grey, and the yellow stripe down the side. Also matches a couple of yellow details inside on the door sills, on the yellow on the steering wheel, the yellow on top of the gear knob, the yellow against the black, and the grey bits blend in with the Porsche Vice Gold, so it's all blending in together. And something very cool and very unexpected, I don't know how I didn't spot it, after I fitted the wheels painted in Porsche Vice Gold, which is an official Porsche colour if you didn't know, we noticed that my roll cage is in what seems to be vice gold. It was meant to be, can you believe? Like, I really didn't notice it before. Actually, someone pointed out to me when fitting the wheels at Sportec. Yeah, I was very pleasantly surprised, to say the least. So now my wheels match my roll cage. It's just perfect. This car is coming together so perfectly. How nice do these seat inserts look? Thanks again to Justin. They are so good looking. But on to the last thing for now. I always say for now because you know me. I say for now and then I'll go and change something else after. But the last major thing to make the GT4 RS perfect in my eyes is the exhaust. And not of course for the inside, because as most of you know, the inside with the carbon airbox sound is incredible, spectacular. There's only one thing that Porsche could have made a bit more of an effort with, if you ask me, bearing in mind this is an RS. Now the issue being, I love driving at normal speeds. I know a lot of people out there think, well, I have to only go to the Nürburgring and you can only drive flat out. I really enjoy just driving normal and enjoying the exhaust sound normal, but it doesn't sound bad, but you're not hearing the GT3 engine, which is what this is. Porsche used the original GT4 exhaust from this, which comes around like this, and you have two boxes. Now, if you want to get a really good sound from that specific engine, you need this X-pipe system, which changes everything, and ideally in titanium. Now, luckily, I have one coming. It's just the muffler, so it won't be touching, you know, the cats or the OPF filter or anything like that. But this is going to make a world of difference. This is going to give it that higher pitched GT3 sound that we all know and love. So right now, that's the last thing for now that will just make this the perfect GT4 RS. And I cannot wait. Like I said, it sounds good, obviously, but at those lower speeds, just cruising along, that's where I really want to enjoy the exhaust sound, because cruising along, you're not hearing the airbox. I want to hear the exhaust then. My GT4S is soon to be perfect, and then I will probably sell it. No, I'm just joking. I know YouTubers get a lot of hate for changing cars, but honestly, I know I do this, but I love making a car, customizing it to how I want, and then I think, okay, time to do to the next one. But I do love this car, I really do, and I've got lots of things I want to do with this car still, driving wise, because sorry, those downshifts, oh, they just get me every time. The best downshift, I've said this before, but I'll say it again, the best downshift in a Porsche I've ever experienced. Anyway, driving down into Lech, this is just a place I wanted to show you all quickly. And as I said, next Sunday will be the driving video from this road that I found. Trust me on this, amazing. So it's actually called Lech am Arlberg, and it's quite a famous ski resort. And it's just one of the coolest places I've been. People, food, everything. Huge car community there. So many passionate petrol heads. Amazing. I'm actually on holiday, which is why I'm here. My first holiday of the whole year. I started to feel, I'll be honest with you, I started to feel a little bit burnt out. And I know a lot of people don't like being honest about that type of thing, but I did. And so yeah, came here to take a week off, which has been really nice. And as you can see, I'm not very good at taking holiday because I'm filming again, but I do really enjoy what I do, so it's not too bad. There's a helicopter right ahead, landing pretty much in front. That is really cool. Never driven past a helicopter that close. Downshifts. So I'm I'm going to head back to my hotel now, to be honest. I'm going to go to the spa and eat some nice Austrian food, which I hope you will understand. But tomorrow I am getting up early for the drive because something very exciting. I'm currently at 1,475 kilometers. So I'm going to end today's video saying I'm currently 25 kilometers away from the run-in being done on this car, which is 1,500 kilometers. I've done the run-in perfectly, as you should, because I very much care about my car, and I also care about the resale. I care about the next owner that would have this car when I would sell it. So for me, it was very important to do the run-in properly, and it just so happens that I'm going to finish the running kilometers here. So when I get up in the morning, I'm probably going to have about 10 kilometers left, which is, funnily enough, pretty much the exact distance to the amazing road. And as you can see by my smile, I'm pretty excited for that, because this road, so excited to show you all. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the update to my GT4 RS. Sorry there wasn't more driving, there was a lot of talking. I know, I'm just trying to combine a bit of filming and being on holiday at the same time. Thanks again to enquires for the PPF, thanks to Justin for the seat inserts. Hope you like the new colour on my wheels, and I cannot wait for the titanium exhaust to arrive, which is being made and should be coming beginning of November, so still a bit of time to wait, sadly, but it will be worth it. I'm off to the sauna, so for me it is